Hi, this is Dorothy Weaver over in Behavioral Sciences, and since I was on both the design team helping to make the SharePoint site that we're going to put our Form D annual evaluation material in, and also because I have to do Form D this year, I'm going to go ahead and make the tutorial for how that happens. Now, the first thing is, and we'll make this easy to get for everybody, is a copy of Form D numbered, so you can keep track of what you've got and where you're putting it. Excuse me. It is important to also write on this document because this is what you're going to hand your supervisor, whoever that is, so that they can go ahead and fill in this part that says evaluator comments. And I think this is also the document everybody signs. But don't go into detail about the comments here. My mind just says, this fall I redesigned cultural diversity, see evidence. We did not have a program review this year. License certification not required. I did not publish or present in sociology this year. The goal statement is included. And that just points to the evidence, which is where all the interesting stuff happens. Now, here on the SharePoint homepage, what you're going to pay attention to is this folder marked Form D. Everything for annual evaluations is just going to go in Form D. Now, I already have over here a file full of all the material I've gathered so far to put in my Form D. And stuff that goes in Section 1, Teaching and Instruction, is keep course information current, participating in relevant program reviews, maintaining relevant licensure or certification, contributing to the further development of content area, developing both short-term and long-term goals related to improving classroom instruction, and content summary below. So my short and long-term goals is going to get dragged in over here. My content summary, that'll be item 6, that's going to get dragged over here. And keeping course information current gets dragged over here. So I want to select this one that says keeping course information current. And it goes in Section 1, Teaching and Instruction. And it is item 1, and I save it. And it is now tagged. So I'm going to choose the next one. I'm going to choose short and long-term goals. And that's still Section 1. And in Form D, this item is 5. And the last thing to do is the summary. Section 1, summary is 6. Now, the cool thing is, when you go back out here, oops, evidence. There we go. When you look at this in the Form D view, it's going to show it in order by number so that whoever is evaluating your packet, when they want to look at the evidence, they can just go in and find exactly what they're looking for. What is that going to look like? Well, right here we have the Form D view. And here we have the Form D items. And as you can see, they're not in alphabetical order or the order I uploaded them in necessarily. They're in the order of those numbers. All right. So that's what I've got so far. There may be other tutorials, or this may be it.